Good morning. In the last class, we covered this topic. I think you have gone through it. Now, we learn how to create a table. To create a table, first we create a database. Inside the database, we create a table. Now, to create a database, we go to MySQL. MySQL screen will display like this, black background, and that is a DOS based. You should enter a password and text be in white color. To enter a password, you should write it 1 2 3 4 5 and press enter key. If you want to change the background and the text format, just click on property. Then select colors. Then go to screen background, change to white, and screen text change to black and click OK. Now it display like this, white background and black text. Now it is visible. And this one, here it display the cursor, and this is called MySQL prompt, where you enter the command. First we will set up database and tables that will be used in a complete sequence. Create database. That means here we create a database name called school and create a table with a name called teacher. Inside the teacher table, we use the field name ID, name, qualification, subject, and date of birth. To create a database, we use a statement create database. It is used to create a new database. Syntax is create database, then name of the database. Each statement should be end with semicolon. In between these two, there be a space. Example, create space database space name of the database, that is school, semicolon. Database name should be unique. To check the database is stored in the memory. After creating a database, you should know it that database is stored in the memory. If you want to check it, the database is stored in your memory, then you can use the statement show database. It is used to display all database which is stored in the memory. Syntax is show database semicolon. It will display all the database which is stored in the RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. When you have a multiple database in your SQL, then before starting your operation, you would need to select a database where all the operations would be performed. Suppose if you want to create a table, then first you go to your database. For that we use a statement, use statement. It is used to select any existing database in the SQL. That means it is used to open a database in your memory. That is, syntax is use name of the database, then semicolon. Example, use school. Now we do it in the MySQL. You enter the password 1 2 3 4 5, then press enter key. Then create database, name of the database, semicolon, press enter key. School is the name of the database. It display query OK. That means your database is saved. Now you can open the database. Use school. semicolon, press enter key, database changed. Now your memory school is opened. Now if you want to see it, show database bases, then here it display all the database which stored in the system or in the memory. School is there. Clear? Now we create a table. To create a table, we use a statement create table. It is used to create a new table in a database. Syntax is create table, then table name, then put the bracket, then first field name, which data type and size of that field, second data name, the field name, then data type, size. Like this you can enter all the fields, and last bracket close, semicolon. Same here, two methods are there. You should write line by line, or you can write it in a single line. There is a field rule to write the field name and table name. That means it must starts with alphabet. No number can be used in the beginning. It should not starts with a number. Example, to roll. It is a wrong statement. No space can be used. Only underscore can be used. Example, student underscore name. We cannot write student space name. And field name and table name we can use. It is a not case sensitive. That means you can use capital letter and also small letter. Now example, create table teacher, bracket, I said ID, which type, integer type, I give the size 5, then teacher underscore C, name, which type, varchar, size of the field, then qualification, varchar, size of the field 20, subject, varchar, size of the field 20, then here one missing is there, you should put comma, then DOB, date of birth, which type, date type, close and semicolon, or you create in a single line. See, clear? It is used to create a table teacher. Name of the table is teacher in the school database. Which database? School database. The above command will create a table named teacher with 5 columns. That is ID, that is which type, integer type, teacher name, that is a varchar type, qualification, that is also varchar type, date of birth, that is a date type, subject is a varchar, are the data types. To view the structure of the table by using describe command. Suppose after creating a table named teacher, you want to know it, what are the field names, then we use which command or which statement? Describe. Syntax is describe table name. Two types of statements are there. You should write full, or you can write it DESC, then table name. I give the example here, describe teacher. Now check it in the MySQL. Enter the password. Show database. Again you do it, check it, your database is there. I use this database changed. then create table, then table name, that is teacher, semicolon. Give the field name id, type integer type, I give the size 5, teacher name varchar type, then size is 30, comma, qualification varchar type, size 30, comma, I use line by line. See, I press the enter key, it comes to the next line. Then subject varchar type 20, then date of birth, which type, date type, then semicolon, enter. Now it display query OK, 0 rows, that means now no record is there, your table is created. Now I want to check it, the description of the table. See, this is the field name, ID, teacher name, qualification, subject, date of birth, type of that data. Again we can use for describe full, I write it full, describe teacher, describe teacher, same it display, that means it display all the field names with type of the data. Clear? Now after creating a table you should insert a record, or we say that to insert a data. To insert the data in the table we use insert command or insert statement. The syntax is insert into table name, then you give it in the bracket field name. How many fields are there? 5. Then field 1, field 2, field 3, like this all the fields, then close the bracket, then you should give values, then enter the values, value 1, value 2, value 3, like this, and close the bracket and semicolon. Two methods are there to insert a table. You can insert a table using with field name, or you can insert a record with only values. How to use it? Insert into table name values, then directly value 1, value 2, value 3, like this, bracket close, semicolon. Or multiple values. Suppose if you want to enter more than one records or more than one datas, then you can use insert into table name values. First bracket, first one is, this is the first row, that is value 1, value 2, value, that means field 1, field 2, field 3, then comma, second record, that is value 1, again same, third value 1, value 2, value 3, then last you put it semicolon. But one important thing is that if you enter a values, the type of the value, if this field name is integer type, the value should be integer. If this field name is varchar type, the value should be varchar. If this field name is date type, so this value should be date only. I give the example to insert a data. Suppose I enter the data, insert into teacher. Teacher is the table name. First is ID, second is field is teacher name, third field is qualification, fourth field is subject, and fifth field is date of birth. I put the values. Values 1, this is integer type, and teacher name, that is a varchar. When you enter the varchar, you should put the value inside the double quotation. Very important. If you want to store any character type values, you should put inside the double quotation. This is varchar. This one is also the qualification. This one is a subject, and this one is a date of birth. Here also the important thing, when you enter the date of birth, you should put in single quotation, not a double quotation. You put it in the single quotation, and when you write it, you should write first year, then month, then date, then close the bracket and put the semicolon. Second type, method of the insert into table name. Values, no need to put the field name, directly values I use, but this one is important. What? The type of the record. Which type? This one? Integer type. What is this one? This one is varchar type. Then you should put inside the where double quotation. MSc Science date of birth. I put it inside the single quotation. Here the example is for multiple values. Insert into table name values. This one is first record, then I put comma, second record, put comma, third record, then put comma. This F is by mistaken, okay, no problem, remove it, then semicolon, press the enter key. Now we check it in the where? In MySQL. See, insert into table ID, table name, teacher name, qualification, subject, date of birth, bracket close. That is, we enter line by line. Values, first value 1, I put it inside the double quotation. Why? That is a varchar, character type. Put comma, qualification, max, then date of birth. I put comma, I put in single quotation, year of the, then minus symbol, 11, that is month, then now first record is added, one record is affected, that means stored. Second method I use it, insert into teacher values. Now here I am not using the first one, only values. Second record, which type? Integer type. This one is important. Integer type, varchar type, varchar type, varchar type, and date of birth, date type. Date type you should enter with single quotation. See, when I press enter key, one more record is added. Now I give the example with multiple, more than one records at a time. Values, just check it. Type is same, integer type, varchar type, now then date of birth. This is one record. Bracket close. semicolon, press the enter key. Two records are added. Okay. Now after entering the record, we want to check it now. Key, that means records are stored or not. For that, to display the record, we use select statement. The select statement is used to select data or display the data from a database in the table. Syntax is select. Two types of select statements are there. Select field 1, field 2. What are the fields you want to see? That only display from the table name. Or select asterisk. Asterisk means all the fields in the table. It display all the fields in the table from table name. Example, select ID, table name, ID, teacher's name from teacher. Second one, select asterisk from teacher, that is a table name. We do it in MySQL. Select the field name, ID, comma, teacher name. This ID, when you write it, both should be same. From table name teacher. See, it display only two fields, not more than two fields. It display only two fields. Another, select, I use asterisk. Then from table name is teacher. Here it display all the fields, ID, teacher's name, qualification, subject, date of birth. Like this, it display all the records. So select command is used to display the records. Now students, there is a homework, is you should create a database named school, same, and inside the school database you should create a table, that name is called student, and field name is student's ID, student name, father name, date of birth, English, accounts, BST, economics, marks. After creating the table, you should insert 10 records in the table student and write all the commands and send it to my WhatsApp number. Next class, we learn other statements in MySQL. Thank you.